Good morning, everyone. My name is Asmaria, and today I will present my research proposal entitled Exploring Critical Thinking Skill Third English Speaking Activities Among 50 Semester Students at STKIP Muhammadiyah Abdiyah. This study aims to explore how students develop her other thinking skill during English speaking activities such as classroom discussion and presentations. Presentation, I will explain the background, research questions, objective, significant, literature review, previous studies, and research methodology. Background of the study. English play a crucial role in her educations. It is not only a medium to understand academic material, but also a tool to express ideas clearly and logically. Speaking skill reflect both language proficiency and the ability to think critically. Critical thinking is the skill to analyze information, evaluate evidence, and reason logically to make sound judgment. However, many English-speaking activities in classroom focus on memorizations rather than promoting her other thinking. This gap motivates this study to investigate how speaking activities can truly foster critical thinking among students. Problem of the study. This research is guided by two main questions. First, how do 50 semester students demonstrate critical thinking during English speaking skill activities? Second, what factor influence the development of their critical thinkings? Exploring this question helps us understand both the behavior of students during speaking activities and the environmental, instructional, and peer-related factor that may support or hinder their critical thinking development. Objective of the study. The objective of this study are twofold. The first objective is to explore how student demonstrates critical thinking is speaking activities. The second objective is to identify the factor that support or limit the development of this skill. Achieving this objective can provide Phillips insight for designing effective learning experience that enhance both language proficiency and her harder thinking in students. Significance of the study. This study has several benefits. Lecture can you use the finding to the sense speaking activities that really develop critical thinking rather than only focusing on language accuracy. Students can become more aware of their thinking process and engaging more actively in analytical and evaluative tasks. Finally, the study can quite feature researchers who are interested in exploring critical thinking in different education contexts. Literature review. Critical thinking involves analyzing information, evaluating evidence, and constructing logical argument. Speaking skills are essential for expressing ideas clearly and logically. The literature shows that speaking activities such as discussions and presentations encourage students to evaluate information, consider multiple perspectives, and organize argument effectively. These relationships indicate that well-designed speaking activities can directly foster critical thinking in higher education setting. Previous research suggests that speaking activities like group discussions and presentation can improve critical thinking by requiring students to evaluate evidence and respond thoughtfully to others. However, Mass studies have been conducted at the secondary school level, leaving a gap in understanding how university students develop critical thinking. Qualitative methods are approach for this study because the prophet raised the talent, observation of student natural learning, experience and thinking process, research methodology. This study will as a qualitative descriptive approach to explore student critical thinking during speaking activities. 50 semester students will be selected purposefully due to their active participations. Data collection will include classroom observations, semi-structure, interview with active guiding questions, and relevant documentations. Thematic coding will be applied to identify patterns and themes, and triangulations will be used to ensure the credibility and trustworthiness of finding. This methodology allows for systematic and detailed explorations of critical thinking development in natural learning environment. Thank you for your attention.